Welcome back to another series of the Haitian Creole lesson. This is lesson 8, and today we are going to talk about the living room. The living room, salon, salon. Let's go ahead and get started. Floor, à terre, floor, à terre, floor, à terre. Curtains, rideau, curtains, rideau, curtains, rideau. Couch, canapé, couch, canapé, couch, canapé. Ceiling, plafond, ceiling, plafond, ceiling, plafond. Wall, 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 television, télévision, television, télévision, television, télévision. Speaker, baff, speaker, baff, speaker, baff. Bookcase, bibliothèque, bookcase, bibliothèque, bookcase, bibliothèque. Flower, fleur, flower, fleur, flower, fleur. Radio, 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 radio. Rocking chair, dodine, rocking chair, dodine, rocking chair, dodine. Chair, chaise, chair, chaise, chair, chaise. Phone, téléphone, phone, téléphone, phone, téléphone. Door, porte, door, porte, door, porte. Fan, ventilateur, fan, ventilateur, fan, ventilateur. Now, a couple of verbs so we can use to practice our sentences. To sit, shita. To sit, shita. To sit, shita. To open, ouvert. To open, ouvert. To lean on, appuyer. To lean on, appuyer. To lean on, appuyer. To move, déplacer. To move, déplacer. To move, déplacer. Don't sit on the rocking chair. Pa chita sou dodine nan. Don't sit on the rocking chair. Pa chita sou dodine nan. Don't sit on the rocking chair. Pa chita sou dodin nan. Go open the door, please. Al ouve pot la, s'il vous plaît. Go open the door, please. Al ouve pot la, s'il vous plaît. Go open the door, please. Al ouve pot la, s'il vous plaît. Don't lean on the wall. Pa apiye nan miya. Don't lean on the wall. Pa apiye nan miya. Don't lean on the wall. Pa apiye nan miya. She's going to move the couch. Li pral deplase kanape ya. She's going to move the couch. Li pral deplase kanape ya. She's going to move the couch. Li pral deplase kanape ya. This concludes this week's lesson. Again, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Your comments are really valuable and they help me improve the lessons when I bring them to you. Thank you for tuning in this week.